Hello students, welcome to Notebook. In this video lesson, you will learn about the 4 important domains of the Earth. These provide conditions which help sustain life on the planet. Let us now briefly look at the 4 aspects before studying them in detail. Lithosphere. It is the outer part or the solid crust of the Earth, comprised of rocks and minerals. It is thinly layered with soil. Natural landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys form the lithosphere. Hydrosphere. It is the total amount of water on the surface of the Earth. The hydrosphere comprises about 70% of the Earth. Oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and other water bodies form the hydrosphere. Atmosphere. It is the layer of air that surrounds the Earth. The atmosphere protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays and provides the oxygen required for survival. Biosphere. It is the region or strip on Earth where the lithosphere, the atmosphere and the hydrosphere form a network for the plant and animal kingdom to interact, grow and sustain life. We will now learn a few important things about the lithosphere. Let us refer to a world map while we do so. The lithosphere consists of Earth's crust and parts of the mantle. It is covered by soil. The Earth's surface comprises of continents and ocean basins. The continents form the lithosphere. The 7 continents are Asia. It is the largest continent. It lies in the eastern hemisphere. The landmass of Europe and Asia together is known as Eurasia. Europe. You learned how to tell the direction on a map and with a compass in the previous chapter. Can you locate Europe with respect to Asia? Correct. It lies to the northwest of Asia. Europe is surrounded by the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans and the Mediterranean Sea. Africa. It is the second largest continent, comprising of 54 countries. It is the only continent through which the Tropic of Cancer, the Equator and the Tropic of Capricorn pass. North America. It lies in the Western Hemisphere. The Pacific, Atlantic and Arctic Oceans surround the continent. It is linked to South America through the Isthmus of Panama. South America. Most of South America lies in the Southern Hemisphere. The Andes Mountains and the Amazon River Basin can be found in this continent. Australia. It is the smallest continent. It lies in the Southern Hemisphere and is popularly called the island continent. Antarctica. The South Pole lies in the center of the continent. Situated in the South Polar region, it is always covered in thick layers of snow and ice. Though there are no permanent human settlements here, countries have research stations here. Dakshin Gangotri and Moitri are the Indian research stations. Now, let us proceed to learn about the hydrosphere. But before we do you know why the Earth is called the blue planet? It is because from space, the Earth appears blue due to the water bodies, which cover 71% of the Earth's surface. Despite this, we face a water shortage crisis because 97% of the water belongs to the oceans. Ocean water is too salty for human use. The 3 movements of ocean water are waves, tides, and ocean currents. There are 5 main oceans which cover most of the Earth's surface: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. It covers nearly 1/3 of the Earth. Can you locate the continents around the Pacific Ocean on the world map? The Atlantic Ocean is S-shaped. Commercially speaking, it is the busiest ocean. It has numerous harbors and ports due to an indented coastline. Named after India, the Indian Ocean lies in the south. It is surrounded by Asia, Australia, and Africa. The ocean covers a triangular expanse of the area. the Southern Ocean. True to its name, lies in the Southern Hemisphere. It encircles Antarctica and extends to 60 degrees south latitude. The Arctic Ocean surrounds the North Pole. The Bering Strait connects the Arctic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. Now that we have learnt about the hydrosphere, let us study about the atmosphere. The Earth is protected by a blanket of air from the harmful effects of the sun's rays by the atmosphere. The atmosphere is a mixture of many gases which are essential for life to exist, like oxygen, nitrogen, and even carbon dioxide. Oxygen allows living creatures to breathe, while nitrogen is required for growth. Carbon dioxide helps keep the planet warm. Gases like argon, helium, hydrogen, etc. are also present in the atmosphere. The troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere are the 5 layers of the atmosphere. As we go up, the density of air, temperature and air pressure vary. Air pressure moving from high pressure regions to low pressure regions is known as wind. The zone of contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere is known as the biosphere. It is inhabited by living organisms like trees, plants, mammals, insects, birds, etc. The lithosphere, hydrosphere and the atmosphere interact amongst each other to maintain balance and harness life. We humans must use resources judiciously so that we don't disturb this balance. It is our duty to protect the biosphere to preserve life-inducing conditions for the future generation. This would mean reducing pollution, conserving water, planting more trees, etc. With that, students, we come to the end of this video lesson. We hope this has helped you understand the environment around you. See you soon in other videos of Notebook. Till then, keep learning.